Today we are going to learn about the basic term. So in that first one is capital. So what is capital? So here capital is the amount which is invested in business. Capital is the amount which is invested in business. Okay? All of you know what is business. All of you know what is business. Business is an economic activity. So the amount which is invested in business is called capital. The amount which is invested in business is called capital. Okay? Then the next thing is what is asset. What is asset? So here asset means all the properties of business. All the properties of business. Okay? See, when a person is investing amount or when a person is investing amount in business, so what he do with that amount? He purchase some what we call assets. So assets are the properties of the business. So here assets are purchased for permanent use in business. So let us take the example: land, building, okay, or machinery. Okay, so these are the things which are acquired for permanent use in business. Okay, so these things are not meant for resale. Okay, so this one we have liabilities. So here liabilities are the obligations of business. Liabilities are the obligations of business. Obligations towards what you call supplier, obligations towards the owner, obligations towards the government, obligations towards the employees. Okay. Now let us see what is the obligation. What you call towards the supplier. So sometimes what you call goods are purchased on credit. Goods are purchased on credit. So that amount is to be paid after some time. So that is liability. Okay. It is responsibility of the business to pay that amount within the stipulated time. Okay. In the same way. So what is the what you call liability towards the government? So the liability towards the government is paying of tax. So payment of tax to the government is the responsibility of the business towards the government. It is the obligation of the business to pay tax to the government. Okay. Why? Because the government is providing the infrastructural facilities to the business. The government is providing the basic environment for business. Okay. So in the same way, what is the liability towards the what you call employees salaries? So that is to be paid. So here the salary of what you call December will be paid in the month of January. So in the month of January, okay, that salary is liability. Anyhow, what you call that salary is an expenditure. Okay, that salary is an expenditure. But the salary is paid after taking the services. So here what happened? That is what you call liability towards the what you call employees. Now what is the liability towards the owner? So here the liability towards the owner is, say the owner is investing capital. So for that amount the business has to return. So the return to the what you call capital is interest on capital. So interest on capital is also a liability. Interest on capital is also a liability to the business. Okay? Profit is given for the effort of the businessman. Okay? Profit is the reward to the businessman for his vertical efforts, for his vertical pain and sacrifice. There are different types of vertical liabilities. So here liability is an obligation of the business towards different parties, towards the suppliers, okay, from whom what you call goods are purchased on credit. And the next thing is liability towards the government for payment of what you call income tax, or what you call present day we have what you call GST, goods and service tax. Okay, liability towards the owner, interest on capital. Liabilities towards the employees salary, outstanding salary. Okay. Now here we have an equation which is called accounting equation. So what is accounting equation? See, accounting equation is a formula which denotes capital is equal to assets minus liabilities. Assets minus liabilities. Okay, capital is the amount which is invested in business. Assets are the properties, liabilities are the obligations of the business. Okay, now here capital is equal to assets minus liability. So at the same time, assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. Capital plus liabilities. Okay, at the same time, liabilities equal to assets minus capital. Liabilities is equal to assets minus capital. Okay, so here capital is equal to assets minus liability. Okay, capital is the amount. Okay, it is owner's equity. It is the amount of owner which he has invested in business. So the capital belongs to the owner, assets belongs to the business, and liabilities are the obligations of business towards what you call different parties. For example, towards supplier, towards what you call owners, or towards government, or towards employees, or towards what you call workers or laborers. Okay. So according to what you call this formula, we can make two more formulas, that is asset is equal to capital plus liabilities. If we add capital and liability, we get asset. Okay, and at the same time liability is equal to asset minus capital. Okay, so this is one of the basic concept of accounting.